The tallest mountain, Halu Rameshwara Gutta in Chitradurga district. Here, so many wildlife sanctuaries we have. Some are Bannerghatta National Park in Bangalore and Jogimatti Forest Reserve in Chitradurga, Bhadra Wildlife Sand and Sharavati. These all are so many wildlife sanctuaries are here. Agriculture and growth and industries. Agriculture is the main occupation of people of this division. It has more dry land agriculture and rain dependent. Important crops we already studied, that is ragi, maize, rice, etc. The government has established agricultural produce markets in all the taluks and districts where farmers can sell their products directly. Okay. And next, very important, we have to talk about industries. That is, goes to Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya is the founder of our state's industrial sector. He is the founder of our state's industrial sector. Iron and steel industry in Bhadravati of Shivamogga district. It was established in the year 1923. And there is a paper production factory also is here. It was established in 1936. The first cement factory of the state was established in Bhadravati. And Birla Cement, you know, no advertisement you are seeing now. The Birla Cement factory is in Ammasandra of Tumakuru district. Bengaluru is known for information technology and biotechnology industries. Okay. Karnataka is ranked second in the export of garments in India. The government has established apparel parks in cities like Doddaballapur, BHEL, HAL, Nipro. These all are main industries. Okay. Next topic, we will go to the art, literature, folklore, theatre and dance. So here, 3 writers from Bengaluru division have received the prestigious Jnanapita award given in the field of literature. Okay. They are national poet Kuvempu. Everybody know Kuvempu, no? And Masti Venkatesha Iyengar and U.R. Ananthamurthy. Okay, these all are famous. This is an indication of the literary achievements achieved by the Bengaluru division. And this division is known for its art, literature, since ancient times. Akka Mahadevi and Allama Prabhu, who contributed immensely to the 12th century Vachana literature, are from Balligevi of Shivamogga district. Okay. And the modern literature has been enriched by the following writers of this division, means Kuvempu, D.V. Gundappa, means D.V.G. will say, Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, P. Langesh, Nizar Ahmad. So many members are here. Okay, they are very famous in literary works. And the achievements of this division in theatre field is equally notable like that in literature. The name of Gubbi Veeranna has remained eternal in the history of Karnataka theatre. He had the title Nataka Ratna, Nataka Sarvabhauma. The theatre company established by him, that is Gubbi Theatre Company, has completed 100 years. And another name of important is that Subbaya Naidu in the history of Karnataka theatre. And another female artist also is famous here, Srimati Maya Rao, who contributed immensely in the field of dance, is from Bengaluru. She is a famous dancer and also opened a school of dance, Natya Saraswati, to teach and has trained numerous dancers. Now Bengaluru is an important center of cinema industry. Okay. And the film industry is growing positively due to the contributions from personalities like you already know famous actors Dr. Rajkumar, actors like Dr. Vishnuvardhan, Shankar Nag, and others are worthy of memory. New wave films have also contributed immensely these days. Okay. And this division is also known for folklore and folk art. The famous folklore expert and writer, who is that means Dr. H.L. Nagegowda, has established a folklore center, that is Jnanapada Loka. Have you heard? Yes, it is in Ramanagara district. It is a wonderful folklore museum. If you get the time means go and visit. Okay. And next we are going to study education and health in Bengaluru division. Bengaluru division has achieved immensely in the field of education also. Two recipients of Bharat Ratna Award, the highest civilian honor of India, are from Kolar district of Bengaluru division. They are Sir M. Vishveshwaraya and Professor C.N.R. Rao, Sir C.V. Raman, the Nobel winning physicist, conducted his research in Bengaluru. Okay, and Bengaluru is an important center of education. There are many famous public and private university in this division. Okay. Apart from this, there are many central research and scientific laboratories also here. Tumakuru, Bengaluru, Shivamogga and Davangere have universities. And there is an agricultural university also is in Bengaluru. Okay. Another famous one is Siddhaganga Mutt. You know, no? Siddhaganga Mutt, a religious institution, is providing food and education to thousands of students under the leadership of Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. And another mutt also is here, Adi Chunchandgiri. It is under the leadership of Sri Balagangadharanath Swamiji. Is also providing education in the field of basic and professional education. Okay. So Bengaluru division has achieved considerable progress in the field of health also. Okay. And next we will go to the cultural resources. Bengaluru division is very rich in culturally. It is rich with forest, wild animals, rivers, valleys, religious places, tourist centers, cultural festivals and others. Political stalwarts have also contributed to the development of the state. The chief architect of Karnataka integration, Kengal Hanumantaya, is from this division, and the Vidhana Saudha building was built during his tenure as a chief minister. Okay, and then we'll come to the freedom fighters. Many prominent people from the Bengaluru division had taken part in the national freedom struggle also. Who is that? Means national freedom struggle people means K.C. Reddy, the first chief minister of Mysore state, and the second chief minister Kengal Hanumantaya. Another chief minister S. Nijalingappa, socialist, and he is a leader, and then leader Shantaveri Gopalagowda and Kadigal Manjappa, Tita Sharma. So many members are participated in a freedom struggle. Kengal Hanumantaya and S. Nijalingappa were also the architects of Karnataka integration movement. We will come to know about this to the next chapter. Okay. Next we will go to the Bengaluru urban district. Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Vidhana Saudha, the administrative center of Karnataka state government, it's in Bengaluru. The High Court of State is also here